Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you how to assemble the water filter from Prestige Clean Home, and we'll also review the purified water on the later part of the video. So the model is PSWP 3.0. So this is a gravity based water purifier. It is a new model from Prestige. The price is mentioned in the box is 2195, and if you buy online you might get some discounts based on the offers. So I got around 200 rupees of discount here, and the best part is it's a made in India product. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have already unboxed the product, and these are the parts which we get inside the box. So let's see the parts one by one. So this is the top cover, and this is the small lid. This is the cartridge, and this is the raw water tank. And with raw water tank we get this auto cut off. Like when the water fills to the threshold, it will automatically block the flow of water. Then we have this pre-filter. Then this is air vent pipe. This is the tap. This is the mid cover which will hold the upper tank. And finally this is the filtered tank. So one thing I like about the filtered tank is that you can see here the slanting surface. So whenever the water is at the bottom, we used to have this habit of tilting the filter to get the water out, but with this you don't have to do that. The water will be at the bottom and you can just take out without tilting the tank. So before we start the assembly, let's see how the filtration works here. So it has a two-stage filtration process. The first part is the pre-filter process, where we use this pre-filter, which is made up of non-woven cloth. It removes the particulates and the sediments in the water. The second stage is this FACT cartridge, FACT FACT. So it means fabricated absorbent cellulose technology. I will mention the words I have used in the description. So gravity-based water filters basically uses two kind of technologies to remove the impurities from water. One is the UF membrane and the other is activated carbon. The UF membrane technology uses a membrane which is so thin that the impurities like bacteria, viruses can go through the pores and it gets separated from the water. And whereas in activated carbon, the carbon absorbs the impurities like viruses and the bacteria, and also the chemicals present in the water. So in this Prestige water filter, we are using the activated carbon technology. Okay, so let's start assembling the product. So first we will assemble the raw purified water tank. Make sure you have this rubber knob on both sides of the hole. Make sure it is tight enough so that there is no leakage of water. Now we will place this mid cover over this. So the purified water tank is almost ready. I'm keeping on the side now. Now we will assemble the raw water tank. First we will put this air vent on the cartridge. Make sure it is tight enough, otherwise air will flow out. Next we will put this cartridge on the raw water tank holder. Make sure it is tight enough. So now we will put this raw water tank over the purified water tank. So we have assembled the purified water tank and the raw water tank. Now we will assemble the final part of our water filter, which is the pre-filter part. We will place this at the top cover like this and put the lid here. So our water filter is ready. So let's pour some water over here and check the purified water. So this water filter is of 10 liter capacity. The upper part holds 4 liter, the lower part holds 6 liters. So I'm pouring some tap water to test the purified water. To check the filtration, I have used some dusty water at the top raw tank. You can see that. So let's see how it does the filtration. So you can see the filtration is done well. You don't see any dust water at the lower tank. So the water is very clear. So the filtration seems working quite well. So for the other parts, like to test the impurities or the bacteria or the viruses, I don't have any tool, but I do have a TDS meter with which we can check the salt level. So let's check out. So let's check the salt content of the purified water. So I have some tap water with me in this glass, and I will take some filtered water in this glass. So let's check the TDS level of the tap water first. So you can see it's almost 128 ppm. So I will clean it for a minute. Restart and clean it first. Now let's check the TDS level of the filtered water. So it's 129. So you can see the TDS level for both the waters are almost similar. So the final content is it can't remove the salt from the water. So the final conclusion is this filter is good for filtration on purpose only, and you can buy this product if you are using municipality water which have a low TDS level, like below 300 ppm, and also if you have the size issue, the size of the filter is very compact, so it doesn't take much space. So if you are using borewell water with high TDS level, I don't recommend this. You better go for RO water purifiers. So that's it from this video. Hope you liked the video and it is helpful for you. and helps to decide you to buy a water purifier. So do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.